Hello guys, my name is Sol Khan and I welcome you all who are watching me. And this is our day 2 of English speaking practice. And the last video which I uploaded yesterday, in that video everybody appreciated me very well. And why they appreciated me a lot? Because there is a reason behind it. Because the video which I uploaded yesterday, in that video I gave you all the valuable content, and because of this valuable content they appreciated me a lot from the bottom of their heart. And the way they commented me, and the way they commented in the first video, their comments motivated me a lot. Their comments motivated me a lot to make my work more better, and that's why I have decided to continue this series. And as usual, I have selected a topic, and the topic which I have selected for you all, that topic is very important, that topic is very outstanding and amazing for you all. And the topic about which I'm gonna discuss, the topic about which I'm gonna mention, and the topic about which I'm gonna go into detail, that topic is very important, is very crucial for you all. And the name of the topic is Makar Sankranti. If I talk about my village, where I am living right now, where I am living currently, and the Makar Sankranti of my village is very life changing. I don't fly kite. It doesn't mean that I don't like the Makar Sankranti. I also like the Makar Sankranti but I am not fond of flying the kites. When I was 12 years old, what I used to do only one thing. That was, instead of flying kite, I used to collect the kites, and after Makar Sankranti, one by one, I used to fly the kite. Now I mention about a story, and that story is not a cock and bull story. That is a real story, and a matter took place with me and my friend in the market when we were going to the market to purchase kites to fly on Makar Sankranti festival. And this story is all about a shopkeeper who cheated on us when we were buying the kites. If you listen to this story very carefully, you will really get angry with that shopkeeper. When I and my friend reached the shop, finally, my friend asked the shopkeeper to show the kites. My friend asked the shopkeeper to bring the kites, and every kite cost around 2 rupees. And my friend was gonna buy 20 kites for 40 rupees. And my friend asked the shopkeeper to give away an extra kite for free. And in an instant, the shopkeeper replied that if you want an extra kite for free, then I have some rules and regulations which you will have to follow. Until you follow these rules and regulations, you cannot get an extra kite for free. And his condition was, you would not get to check the kite. And in an instant, my friend replied that this is not fair. If a customer wants to buy something, wants to buy any product from any shop, it depends on him that what he wants to buy and what he does not want to buy. It totally depends on him, not on shopkeeper, because it is against the constitution of India. Especially in India, the customer has been given this authority to buy any product what he likes. Now you have to share your opinions in comment box that the activity which the shopkeeper did with us, it was wrong or it was right.